guys, it's me again. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet a scarf. This is a long scarf and this is matches with the hat that I posted on my channel. And I will be using a number 4 medium worsted weight yarn and size I 5.5mm crochet hook. Okay, now to start, we are going to make a chain of 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, for the first round, we are going to make one single into the back ridge of the stitches. We're going to make one single into the second chain from hook. So we are going to count 1, 2. We are going to make one single into the back, if you can see here. One single there. And one single in each back ridge across. Go ahead and finish the one single in each back ridge across, and I will meet you for the second row. Okay, I finished my work across and I have 24 single, and for the second row we are going to make a chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make one double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Now we are going to make a puff stitch using this 2 double crochet. So wrap around yarn on hook, insert hook in between the first 2 doubles. So these are the first 2 double. We are going to insert hook in between, pull up yarn, wrap around yarn on hook, insert hook, pull up yarn. We have 2 rounds and we're going to make 3 more rounds. 3, 4, 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 loops on hook. Now we are going to draw all loops and then make a chain 1. Now we are going to make another 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. 1, 2, and we are going to repeat the puff stitch using these 2 stitches, these 2 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Draw loops, chain 1, and make 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches again. And repeat the puff stitch using this 2 double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5. Draw all loops, chain 1. Okay, repeat this across, and I will meet you at the end. Okay guys, I finished my work across and I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. I have 11 puff stitch and I still have 1 single crochet remaining from the previous round, and we are going to make 1 double crochet into this single. Now for the third row, we are going to make a chain 3 and then turn And into the same stitch as chain 3, we are going to make 1 double, and we are going to skip this puff stitch. We are going to make 1 double crochet into this stitch, and then make 1 more into the same stitch, 1 more double crochet, and we're going to skip this and make 2 double crochet into the next stitch here. 1, 2, and then make 2 double crochet into the next single, 2 double crochet into the next single, into the last double crochet. We are going to make 2 double crochet on top of the chain 3. Make 2 double crochet on top of the turning chain 3. Okay, now we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. We have 24 double crochet. Now for the 4th row, make a chain 3 and then turn and make 1 double crochet in each stitches across with a total of 24 double crochet. Go ahead and finish your 1 double crochet in each double crochet across with a total of 24 double crochet, and I will meet you for the next row. Now I finished my double crochet across and I have 24 double crochet, and for the 5th row we're going to make a chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then turn your work and repeat the row 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, repeat row 2, 3, and 4 until you have the measurement of 74 inches long, and don't forget to maintain the 24 double crochet across in each row. And yeah, go ahead and repeat the round 2, 3, and 4 until you have the 74 inches long for the scarf, and I will meet you for the border. Okay guys, I finished my 74 inches long for this scarf, and I end my work at round 3. This is the round 3. I end my work into that round, and this is how the scarf look like now. I cannot show you the whole length of the scarf because I don't have enough space to spread it. Okay, this is how the scarf look like. Okay guys, and now for the border, we are going to do the border. For the border, we are going to make a chain 1 and then turn your work, make 1 single crochet into the same stitch and make 1 single crochet in each stitches across. Go ahead guys and make one single crochet in each stitches across. Now we can cut the yarn. And with the yarn needle, we are going to hide the tail. And we have one more at the other side of the scarf, the other end. We're going to hide that as well. Okay guys, we finished another project. This is how this scarf look like, the pattern look like. And okay guys, this is the matching hat for the scarf, and this is already on my YouTube channel. And for the written pattern, I am on the process of making it, and after I finish it, I will be posting it into my Etsy shop. And yeah, if you want the written pattern, once I finish making it, I will be listing it into my shop, and you can just purchase it there and download, because it will be an electronic download. And if you have any more question about these stitches, or yeah, if you have any more question about these stitches, just leave a comment, and then I will try my best to respond as long as I can. And yeah, that's all for today guys. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you like the rest of my videos, and see you again for the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.